I'm Scott Baker with Cummins Westport, and I'd like to provide an overview of the Cummins Westport ISX12G dedicated natural gas engine. The ISX12G is a spark ignition engine utilizing stoichiometric cooled exhaust gas recirculation technology in conjunction with a simple, passive, maintenance-free three-way exhaust catalyst. The ISX12G is based on the Cummins 11.9-liter ISX12 diesel engine platform and is factory built and tested at the Jamestown engine plant in Jamestown, New York, which is the same plant where Cummins manufactures heavy-duty diesel engines. The ISX12G is available with a broad range of performance ratings up to 400 horsepower and 1450 pound-feet of torque, and is suited for a variety of heavy-duty truck and bus applications. The ISX12G is compatible with a range of natural gas fuels, including compressed natural gas or CNG, liquefied natural gas or LNG, as well as renewable natural gas or biomethane. Visit CumminsWestport.com to review the ISX12G fuel specifications. The ISX12G shares the majority of features and options available with the Cummins ISX12 diesel engine. In fact, the majority of the components are identical between the two engines, including the cylinder block, the crankshaft, and options such as the flywheel housing and customer selectable options including starters, alternators, and air conditioning compressors. The unique features and characteristics of the ISX12G engine versus its diesel peers are the natural gas fuel system and the ignition system. Additional changes to the gas version of the engine include a 4-valve cylinder head specifically manufactured to accommodate spark plugs, a unique piston bowl optimized for natural gas combustion, and a simple, proven waste-gated turbocharger for natural gas combustion. Let's take a closer look at the fuel system and point out some of the similarities and differences between the diesel and gas engines. The ISX12G uses a two-piece fuel conditioning system. The first stage of the ISX12G fuel conditioning module is responsible for introducing the natural gas fuel to the engine and for low pressure regulation to ensure a steady delivery of natural gas to the second stage of the fuel manifold. Fuel is delivered to the second stage of the manifold where it is measured and metered to the fuel mixer. Exhaust gas recirculation, or EGR, is controlled by the engine-mounted EGR valve, and similarly, charge air from the vehicle charge air cooler is introduced to the engine and controlled by an electronic throttle. The quantities and flows of charge air, exhaust gas, and natural gas fuel are precisely controlled to ensure an optimal mixture of the three for natural gas combustion. Combustion in the ISX12G engine is controlled by the ignition system, which is a unique subsystem for the natural gas engine in comparison with the diesel engine. The ignition system consists of an ignition control module, high voltage ignition coils using coil on plug technology, as well as interconnecting components including a wire harness and ignition coil extensions which connect the underside of the ignition coils to the top of the spark plugs. As you can see on this engine, the ignition coils are recessed into the valve cover to provide optimal packaging. The ISX12G engine uses a unique electronic control module developed by Cummins Westport, but based on the same family of electronic control modules used by Cummins for its diesel engine families. By being a derivative of an existing Cummins diesel ECM platform, the ISX12G ECM is fully compatible with all Cummins service and diagnostic tools, including Insight. The ISXG is also available with an optional compression release brake, commonly known as a Jake brake, which is a unique feature for spark-ignited natural gas engines in the commercial vehicle marketplace. Now let's take a closer look at the hot side of the engine and review similarities and differences between the ISX12G engine and comparable diesel engines used in heavy-duty vehicle applications. The majority of the components on the hot side of the ISX12G engine are similar to, if not identical to, the components used on the 12-liter diesel. Identical components include the exhaust manifold and the lube oil filter. The EGR cooler is very similar between the two engines, and the primary distinguishing component on the hot side of the engine is the simple, proven wastegate actuated turbocharger used on the ISX12G in comparison with the larger variable geometry turbocharger used on diesel engines. The ISX12G is available in a broad range of on-highway truck and vocational applications. Visit CumminsWestport.com for a complete list of OEM availability with the ISX12G engine. Cummins Westport offers full factory warranty support for the ISX12G engine and also offers a broad range of extended coverage options. As with all Cummins Westport engines, parts, service, and warranty support is available through your local Cummins distributor or Cummins certified dealer. With broad OEM availability, robust diesel-like performance, and a broad range of ratings, the ISX12G is the natural choice for a wide variety of on-highway truck applications.